All right, guys, are you needing something to take around with you for everyday use? Keep it in your bag, in your pocket, whatever it might be. Hempz comes up with these really cool little bottles that you're able to take around with you. They're 2.25 fluid ounces. And I tell you what, that makes it super nice because you can carry them along. Some you can travel with without any problems. This is their Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon 48-hour hydration. And let me tell you something, if you know anything about Hempz, they have some of the coolest hydrating stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Wow, that is going to be hard to see. A super small print. So you're going to apply generously. It's one of those things you can definitely apply generously without any issues. Let's go ahead and get the smell test on this one. We got so much of this going on. This might be by far one of the best smelling ones I have had. The Sweet Pineapple. That's what it smells. Sweet pineapple, and the melon is just delectable. This is one you'd want to eat right here. I'm not gonna lie. It has that smell right there. I have smelled some of like the juicy peach, which is really good. I'm a big peach guy, but I can tell you what, pineapple and melon together is actually next level. So super thick stuff. Love it. It's something you're going to apply generously without any issues, but you definitely got to check out this 48-hour hydration pack because they've done it right. And I tell you what, it's going to leave your skin feeling smooth and hydrated. Check it out.